And besides, you're too smart to be scammed.
Because you are a visionary, and you know a good business opportunity when you see one. Now, will you be making your initial investment into your financial future in cash or cash?
Yes, I do want to make an investment into my financial future, but I don't even have 200 US dollars, let alone even 100 to even put into PONZI's obvious pyramid scheme. What am I going to do to make that money? Welcome back, culture fans. And if you saw our latest episode, now you know how not to end up in an illegal Ponzi scheme. But what if you don't even have the 100 US dollars to even waste in said illegal Ponzi scheme? Well, then you've come to the right place, because just as the description of this video says, I am about to teach you 10 different ways you can earn 100 extra US dollars a month. Number 1, flipping items online. Now, this is my first and actually favorite option. That's why it's number 1, because it costs $0.00 just to get started. And it's also super easy to do. In fact, it's so easy, it was literally my first online business when I was 14 years old. Yeah, I was a pretty advanced child, obviously. Anyway, by taking advantage of price differences between products online, you can earn a profit anywhere from 20 to even 50% on each product sold. The practice is called arbitrage. It's a fancy word you can go and use around the party or the dinner table. Now, back in my day, when you wanted to do this, you used to have to go and search for the individual product, buy it on eBay or Amazon, go to the post office or receive it at your house, pray it didn't get damaged in the process, and then go and resell it back on Amazon or eBay. But now you don't even have to hold on to the product anymore. And Amazon, it has a plugin called Amazon Assistant. So you just download it and activate it on your internet browser, and then just visit any online retailer. I mean, anyone. Like, you can even go to walmart.com. Search for that item that you want. When you reach the individual page for it, Amazon will automatically find it on their website, as well as give you an idea of the average price range. When you see a profit percentage for the product that you like, just go ahead, post that listing on eBay or Amazon. And then when somebody buys it from your store on eBay or Amazon, you then take that money and then go purchase it at Walmart, repackage it, and mail it off and pocket the difference. But now I know what you're saying. You might be saying, but George, don't I have to live in America to do that? Nope. All you gotta do is just ask your cousin in New York and, give him a little 5% on each sale that you made. Hey, now if y'all aren't on good speaking terms, make it 15. Hey, don't complain. It's not my fault that he decided to go and turn big shot when he got his visa and went abroad. And also, just think about the fact, it's a pandemic, so he's gonna need the money. So the extra little 10% may actually convince him to, help you with your business venture. Number 2, Etsy store. Etsy is one of the most popular online boutique retail sites in the world. So this site gives a platform for creative people from around the world to sell their artisan novelty items. So joining and starting a shop on Etsy is actually free. But there are 3 basic selling fees: a listing fee, a transaction fee, and a payment processing fee. There is also an advertising fee for sales that come from off-site ads. But, all in all, just know that it costs 20 cents, so that's 20 US cents, to publish a listing to the marketplace. So, this is definitely a great option if you're a creative person, you have a lot of novelty items for sale, and you already have some Guyanese sellers on there, so you won't be alone. Number 3, events planner. Now, if you're creative and you're willing to make a lot of phone calls and want to interact with a lot of people, then you can be an events planner. But, don't be like a regular boring events planner, because this is 2020 and we're in a pandemic, man. So, you've got to be interesting. You can coordinate online scavenger hunts, you can do networking events, skill training summits, etc., etc., etc. But you just have to think about the fact that now we have to adapt our traditional meetings and our various different events that we used to have to accommodate the new realities of physical distancing and personal safety. So, if you're able to solve that problem, within the context of Guyana, the market will reward you. Number 4, delivery service. If you have a cell phone and internet connection and some free time, you can start a delivery service. So all you have to do is just create a logo, a Facebook page, buy a separate SIM card for your phone, and advertise on Facebook and put up vacancies in various Facebook groups for delivery drivers, all of which is free to do. And then pay the drivers from a portion of your delivery fee or, whatever arrangement works for y'all. I mean, hey. For even extra savings, you can consider doing all the deliveries yourself until it actually becomes necessary to delegate that task to a driver. Number 5, home restaurant. If you like to cook and you're actually good at it, key phrase, actually good at it, then you could, consider starting a home restaurant right out of your kitchen. Get someone to make a nice logo, a brochure, and a menu for you. Advertise on Facebook. And start simple with some interchangeable foods to avoid spoilage. So, for example, if you're selling curry and roti, just offer dal puri as a second option, so all you have to do is just buy flour instead of selling rice and then you have to buy flour and rice. Or you can cook your meals to order, so customers can just call the delivery service and pick up the food, or you can call the delivery service and have them pay for the delivery fee. But regardless, you don't have to pay anything. Number 6, tutoring or babysitting. If you have a specialized skill set and you're good with kids, you could consider tutoring children. I mean, tons of them are home right now, so you can use Zoom or you can even do in person. There's various different ways. But, if you don't have a specialized skill, but you're still good with children, you could consider babysitting. But don't be a boring babysitter. No one likes a lame babysitter. Get some books, get some games, some crafts for the children to play with. If you can even teach the kids a life skill, especially one they can use around the house, the parents will thank you. In fact, I had a conversational level of Spanish when I was only 5 years old because of a Dominican babysitter. So you see, isn't it wonderful when you can learn skills from the people who take care of you? Number 7, auto detailer. So as you all know, this is Guyana. So the climate is abusive to these poor old used Japanese vehicles that we just insist on importing en masse here. So, you can help people bring some life back into their old vehicles by offering auto detailing services. I mean, you don't have to go all out, but simple stuff. You can defog headlights, you can apply water repellent to the mirrors, and you can even deep clean the interior. You can even give customers one of those little pine tree air fresheners that you hang in the rear view mirror. Just focus on just various different services that customers aren't receiving from the market and advertise those services, and trust me, you will be one of the most popular auto detailers around. Number 8, yard clearing. If you've got a strong back and you don't mind getting a little bit dirty, you can open your own lawn care company. And it's nowhere near as difficult as you think it is. Let's say you don't have any time during the week, no problem. Just do it on the weekends. All you need is just one customer a week, charging each of them 5,000 Guyana dollars, and boom, you've made an extra 20,000 or 100 US. Schedule your cleanups for the early morning so you can beat the heat, because we're trying to get money, not catch a heat stroke. Number 9, personal assistant. Help people with organizing their lives. This is a crazy time and sometimes people need help. That's where you can step in. You can keep it simple and just do basic online and phone tasks, or you can take your expertise at organizing with a flair for style to help people come up with real solutions for their living spaces and, of course, their lives as a whole, but for a cost. And finally, number 10, upskill. This one won't gain you any money immediately, but it will increase your income nonetheless, exponentially, even if you want it to. Because remember, you are paid by the market for the uniqueness, the usefulness, or the prestige your good or service offers to the market. As such, learning a marketable skill can help you to earn a higher paying job or side hustle more skills, more money. So those are just 10 ideas for side hustles that you can do that can earn you an extra $100 a month or 20,000 Guyana dollars. So do you think that there's some other side hustles that I should have listed? Tell me in the comments below. But you know what, since you were awesome enough to, stick around to the end of this video, you will be one of the first to know that starting next week, every Sunday, we will feature a new side hustle on our Facebook page. Hashtag Side Hustle Sunday. You can show me how much you appreciate, all that we're doing here by giving this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. Also, be sure to hit that notification button, because if you don't, then YouTube won't tell you when we've uploaded a new video. And as always, you can find the links that I've mentioned in the video in the description below. And also, I'll be uploading a step-by-step video on how to flip items online. So if this random blank space I'm pointing at on the screen has suddenly turned into a button, then yes. If you are finding new and interesting ways to make $100 a month, you are doing it for the culture.